Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss JTL Industries Limited fundamental analysis. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. Another thing is I am holding JTL Industries Limited, so I may be biased. So at the time of investing in financials, so use common sense. If you use common sense, then we'll do less mistakes. Here JTL Industries Limited. So what their business? Their business is like galvanized pipes. So here they are producing different types of pipes and also solar roofs and also JTL Galva Flow Versatile Production. They are making different types of steel pipes. We'll see management of JTL Industries. Go to company, board of directors. So who are the board of directors? So here Madan Mohan Singla is the chairman and managing director. Rakesh Garg, executive director. Pranav Singla, executive director. Dhruv Singla, executive director and CFO. Mithanlal Singla, non-executive director. If you observe the names, here all the names ends with Singla, 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 Singla. That means these all the four people are related. And then here Rakesh Garg is the executive director. If you go down here, one more person like Rakesh Mohan Garg is also same and names end with Garg. That means mostly this company is the family business type of company. We need to analyze deeply. So here they have products, like they have different types of products like JTL MS Structura, Jumbo, Ultra, Jaljan, like different types of steel products they are manufacturing. Now we'll discuss fundamental analysis of JTL Industries. For that purpose, so here we are using Screener, Registrar.in and BSc website. So open JTL Industries in Registrar.in. First we'll check last 4 quarter results. Here if you see in December quarter, sales are 65%. These are excellent sales and profits are 47%. In September quarter, sales are 37% and profits are 33%. In June quarter, sales are 37% and profits are 10%. In March quarter, sales are 13% and profits are 93%. If you observe carefully, in the last 4 quarters, so their sales are increasing in very high and also profits are very high. This is a positive sign. Now we'll check last 10 years results. So if you go down, here we have annual results from 2014 to 2023 and also here last 12 months results. If we observe sales, it increased from 97 crores to 2045 crores. So you see like 97 to 119, 119 to 94, here it reduced somewhat. Then afterwards 94 to 112, then 169, 321, here little bit decrease, then 435, 1355, 1548, 2045 crores. If you observe only in March 2016 and March 2020, here COVID time, in these 2 years their sales are decreased. Remaining all the years their sales are increasing. That is the positive sign. And also if we observe here from March 2022, 22, 23 and last 12 months, here sales are increased dramatically. So we need to understand how they are increasing sales in the last 3 years. So what they did to increase the sales. So in the last 10 years JTL Industries sales are very high, that is the positive sign. Now I'll check the profits. In 2014, profit is 0.5 crores, then 0.83 crores, 1.21 crores, 1.38, 8 crores, 14 crores, here little bit decrease 10 crores, then 20 crores, 61 crores, 90 crores, 120 crores. So only in the year 2020, so their profits are decreased, remaining all the years profits are increased. This is very good sign. Positive. Here sales also increase, this is a positive. Here if you see interest, here in 2014 they paid interest as 1.8 crores, 1.5 crores, like that 5.8 crores. See, if we compare interest with sales, so sales is 2045 crores, but interest paying only 5 crores. That means they have minimal debt, that is the positive sign. If any company have minimal debt, then that company is normally good. So here they are paying very less interest, this is a positive sign. And also if you see tax rate, here tax rate is 26%, 26%, 25%, 25%, 25%. So here this tax rate is near to corporate tax rate, this is a positive sign. And if you see profit margins, 2014 0.56%, this is very less profit margins, then 0.7%, then 1.2%, 1.2%, 4%, 4%, 4%, 4.6, 4.5, then 5.8, 5.87. So like that, in every year their profits margins are increasing. So profit margins are less, but in each year they are increasing profit margins. So this is a positive sign. We'll check expenditure. Here total expenditure. See employee cost. So initially in employee cost is like percentage of sales. So 0.5%, 0.9%, 0.6, like that, 0.59%, 1.2%, 1.81%. So if we compare with employee cost with percentage of sales, so employee cost is very less, this is the positive side. Now we'll see few more things go down. So here we have financial ratios. We'll see ROE and ROCE. So instead in 2014, ROE and ROCE is very less, like 3.5%, 7%. Later improved like 5%, 9%, then 8%, 11%, 9%, 14%. Then 2018 it is 41%, 40%. Then 47, 38, 20, 70, 28, 25, 44, 39, 35, 34. If you observe in each year the improving ROE and ROCE, this is a positive sign. Then we'll see receivable days. Here receivable days, so initially they have 63 days, then 47 days, 39 days, 38 days, then here increase 84 days, then 61, 27, 29. So they improved receivable days from 63 days to 29 days. Here it is decreased. That means they are collecting their money. So within short period of time, this is a positive sign. Then inventory days here 40 days, 29 days, like that. Current is 33. So it was decreased from 48 days to 33 days. This is also improved. This is also positive sign. Then payable days, here 16 days to 7 days. That means they're paying all the money to their vendors within short span of time. This is a positive sign. Later here total debt. So in 2014 debt to equity is 1.12, then 1.14, then later they're decreasing the debt. So currently the debt is 0.17. Recently they paid all their debt. So currently JTL Industries is a zero debt company. That is a positive sign. So what we observed based on quarterly results and annual results. So if you see here, last four quarters JTL Industries results are excellent. Then in annual results, so only in 2016 and 2020 their sales are decreased. Remaining all the years their sales are increased, and also from 2022 their sales are increased dramatically. So this is a positive sign. And if you see profits, so profits also increased from 2014, like 0.5 crores to 120 crores. This is a positive sign. And also margins increased from 0.56% to 5.8%. This is also positive sign. Now we'll check few more things. Open screener. Current market cap of JTL Industries 3,311 crores. Here 3 years median P is 28.5 and current P is 27.6%. That means if we compare current results, current PE with 3 years PE, this is undervalued, and also last 4 quarter results are excellent. So if we consider last 4 quarter results, so current PE is reasonable. So we'll check ROE and ROCE. Here 3 years ROCE is 34.3%, current is 34.6%. So this is also good. And ROE 3 years is 33.5%. Here current 30%. Here little bit decreased. Now we'll see sales. Here year on year sales is current sales 65% and profit is 47%. This is excellent. And then last 1 year sales growth is 36.9%. This is good. And profit growth is 64%. If you see 3 years, here 88% sales and then profits are 108%. This is also excellent. For 5 years, sales is 55% and profit is 62%. This is also excellent. If you see for 7 years, here sales is 49% and profits are 135%. This is also excellent. Now we'll see returns of JTL Industries. So today it was decreased 20%. Returns 1 day minus 20%. Returns 1 week 24% minus. And then return over 1 month minus 26%. Returns over 3 months minus 6%. Returns over 6 months minus 3%. If you see here, last 4 quarter results are excellent, but since 6 months their returns are decreasing. So 6 months returns are minus 3%. Today returns are minus 20%. That means results are good, but profit is not increased much. We'll check here 1 year. For 1 year 19% only. For 3 years 79%. Here, so last 3 years its price was increased 80%. Then 5 years 70.8%. 7 years 68%. 10 years 41%. So since 10 years JTL Industries is giving very excellent returns. This is a multi-bagger stock. It gave 41% returns in 10 years. These are excellent returns. We'll see if we invest 1 lakh in JTL Industries 10 years before, then what is the current returns. Open CAGR calculator. So here 1 lakh investment. So 10 years. So 41%. So what we can do here, change to 20 lakhs, change to 30 lakhs. Yeah. So here 40.15%. So if you see here, 10 years returns are 41.8% CAGR for 10 years. And then, so if we invested 1 lakh rupees 10 years before in JTL Industries, current returns are 30 lakhs. 1 lakh increased to 30 lakhs. That means 30x. So here 40% returns. That means JTL Industries gave multibagger returns in last 10 years. So here promoter holding is 56%. It's a greater than 50%. This is the positive side. And here change in promoter holding 0.2%. That means recently they increased promoter holding. This is a positive side. And pledged percentage 0%. They did not pledge their holding. That is a positive side. Now we'll see free cash flows. Here free cash flows are negative, 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 negative. So in all the years, the free cash flows are negative. This is one negative sign. We need to check why their free cash flows are negative. Is there they are doing any capital expenditure or not? So if they are doing capital expenditure means, then that is positive sign. If they are doing capital expenditure means free cash flows will be negative. Okay, if you see here, CWIP 5.6 crores. And also previous year 3.4 crores. That means they are doing capital expenditure. Due to this one, their cash flows are negative. And also we need to observe carefully. Since 10 years, their free cash flows are negative. That means since 10 years, they are doing capital expenditure. So this is a small company. So 10 years before, we'll see price of. So this 10 years. So 10 years before, its price is 5.3 rupees. Current price is 262 rupees, and then it was down from 269 to 192 rupees. Yeah, recently the price was down. Okay, in 10 years this price increased from 5 rupees to 192 rupees. This is a multi-bagger stock. And also here already we observed, so last from 2014 to 2023 and last 12 months, so their profits are very high. Due to this one, here price also increased from 5 rupees to 192 rupees. So up to from 2014 to 2020, here price is flat. Later from 2020, price increased from 13 rupees to 260 rupees. So here it gave multibagger returns. So we need to observe carefully. We need to think one more point. So here continuously they are reducing debt. So here the debt is decreasing continuously, and also they are expanding company. Due to that one, here free cash flows are negative. Okay. Later we'll see dividends of JTL Industries. Go to BSE website. Here corporate actions. If you see here, okay, so they started to give dividends from 2021. So in 2021 they gave 2 rupees dividend. So and also in 2023 they have bonus issues and also split. If you see here, go back. At September 2023 issues 1:1. And also here 13 October 2021, 10 rupees to 2 rupees. What they did, so first 1:1, that means if you have one share, then we'll get one more share as a bonus. That means if you have one, then finally after bonus I have two shares. Then later, so here each one split it from 10 rupees to 2 rupees. That means one share split to 5. Already we have 2 into 5, so 10. So totally we'll get, if we have 2 shares, then we'll get 10 shares. So initially we have one share, so it's split to 10 to 2. That means one share split to 5. Then we'll get bonus also 5 to 5. So we'll get 10. So in 2021 they gave 2 rupees. After split and bonus they gave 0.2 rupees. Then already we have 10 shares. 10 into 2, 2. That means in 2021 they gave 2 rupees and also 2023 they gave 2 rupees. So here dividend is good, but they started to give dividends from 2021. So if you go to corporate information, listing date 31/7/2012. So JTL Industries listing date is 2012, but they didn't give dividends from 2012. So when they started means they started in 2021 only. Why means, one is JTL Industries is a small company, it's in growth phase. Already we checked. So due to growth phase, their free cash flows are negative, and also here they decreased debt from 1.1 to 0.17. In the place of giving dividends, so they reduce the debt. So that is the positive sign. And also parallelly they are expanding the company. If you see here, sales increased from 97 crores to 2045 crores. This is a dramatical increase of sales. How they did means, they expanded company, due to that one, so sales increased. So that is a positive sign. We need to link one number to other number to get clarity of the stock performance. So what we observed based on JTL Industries. So JTL Industries last 4 quarter results are excellent, and also in the last 10 years, so their sales increased and also profits increased, and also profit margins also increased. Okay, so here the returns also increased in the last 10 years, but free cash flows are negative due to capital expenditure, and also they reduce the debt. That is a positive sign. And also if we see ROE and ROCE, so ROE and ROCE are very high. This is a positive sign. Recently we have one update. We'll see that update. If we go to corporate actions, here updates, click on this one, click on this one. So here we have few points. What are those points? One is JTL is pleased to announce 2 significant milestones. When it is 2nd March 2024. Okay, term net debt free. The company has repaid the outstanding term debt of approximately 360 million, that means 36 crores, and has become a term and net debt free company. This is a positive sign. Another one, implementation of DFT technology. The company is on a track with its earlier announced capital expenditure plan, with the initiation of the dispatch and timely delivery of DFT machines in the upcoming weeks before closure of Q4 Finance 2024, and commissioning of the same by Q1 Finance Year 25. Through this commissioning of DFT plant, we would be able to elevate plant capacity utilization, a testament to our commitment to operational efficiency. JTL will be able to manufacture higher diameter pipes, which would increase our kitty by 300 plus SKUs of value added products. This strategic move is anticipated to significantly boost our EBITDA margins, reflecting our commitment to innovation and profitability. So these are the 2 positive points. So these notification came on 2nd March. I will see recent results. Price, if you go to here 1 month, so so before 1 month price is 249. It was down from 249 to 192 rupees. Today it was down 20%. And if you click 3 months, here before 3 months 205, current 192 rupees. So last 4 quarter results are excellent, but price not increase, it was down. Already we checked those things. Here returns like 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, all are negative. Results are good, but price reduced. We need to remember these points. I am the non-financial guy, so I may be explain few things as wrong. So in the place of going through all the things, I will use my common sense to decide to buy or sell any stock. So before taking any financial decision, use your common sense and take decisions. Don't depend on others to take financial decisions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.